In this video, I will show you how to play Mostbet Bonus. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. After claiming your bonus using promo code I gave you, if you want to use or play the Mostbet bonus, all you have to come over is to come over here and see the bonus you have. So once you've seen the bonus you have, you can go ahead and go to pre-game. And once you come over to pre-game, you're going to choose accumulator games. Now choosing accumulator games means betting on multiple events at the same time. So this is an example of an accumulator game. So once you choose all of these, you have to bet on accumulator games times 5. Once you bet on accumulator games times 5, that your bonus money can then be withdrawn to your account or to your real account or to your bank at anyone that you wish. So for you to claim or play Mostbet bonus, you have to play accumulator bet times 5. I have subscribed to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.